Right, today we're going to wrap this box in aluminium. Picked up the sheet today, so it's just a matter of just laying it on, wrapping each side, probably tack weld it in position, and then we'll do a finishing weld after that. Okay, so I got the back panel on. It wasn't easy. As I said, I haven't really welded much aluminium, so I got a little bit of warpage, but nothing too bad. It's going to be up against the back of the camper anyway, so I'm not too fussed. But we'll try a different approach on this front one. So just got to get this front one on now. I've got to just put a scribe cut through here, and we're going to fold it down, and then I'll trim it off, and then we'll weld the sides and do the top seam and the bottom seam. Alright, so we're going to work out this angle. Lucky with my saw, I have this tool. It makes it very easy to work out what miter it is. So it's as easy as just set these back a little bit just so it doesn't get interfered. We just make sure that that is right along that edge. Push that out to that edge. We lock it off, and then we take it over to the saw.